guys a quick tour of the new shop, or what's going to be the shop. So we got a bench in here. This came with the house, so that's kind of nice, so I don't have to pack up my old bench and bring it with me. This is the size of a 2-car garage, but it's only got one bay. So I guess it was built for a car and a workspace. So that worked out perfect for me. Got some cabinets up here. Got some, gonna be some wooden shelves here to put some wood. Some doors that came from the house. Gotta put that in a screen door. Windows. Weatherize the front door. Cabinet up here. Not sure if I'm going to keep these cabinets up here. I might take them down and make it, put a top on it maybe. And then make it a miter saw station. These will stay though. I like that right there. So that's just a preview of the before. It's got its own electrical panel, separate from the house. Now that is freaking awesome. Got a bunch of outlets. Outlet there, outlet there. They're all 4s. Outlet there. One there. 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 So I'm going to change the lighting. Right now we have fluorescent lights. I'm going to change that to LEDs, which will be simple. Got outlets up on the roof here. Ceiling, not roof, sorry. So I'm going to replace all of these with LEDs. Change the lock. That's the old one. So, we'd love to hear some of your ideas, guys. I've got just your basic stuff. I gotta put the CNC somewhere. Probably in that corner over there. Or maybe even close to the front door, so in the summertime I can just open the bay, grab a breeze while I'm working. Concrete slab. Alright, that's the before. Come back for the after. Thanks for watching.